Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GLMR. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that GLMR has recently broken out this descending triangle. And after the breakout, you can see that it has also broken out this resistance of 39.79, approximately at 40 cents. We had this short-term resistance that was breaking at the resistance here, and now after the breakout, it can work as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And on a weekly time frame chart, GLMR has already broken out a quite long-term down channel. And after that, you can see that it has rallied very well from this low to this low to this high. It has so far rallied almost 300%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. That had been previously working as a support zone here and here. And since it has broken it down in the month of August 2022, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. And you can see we got rejection here, here, and here. And this is the most recent rejection that was happened here in the month of December 2023. And now, after testing this support, quite long-term support of 31.5 cents, price and geared up and broke out this resistance of the descending triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And on a weekly time frame chart, I would also like to show you this huge support that was previously breaking as a resistance, this red line that is the exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. And now it is breaking as a very, very nice support. I would also like to show you a very, very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern that GLMR has formed on this 7 days time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for auction, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 12th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of GLMR. And this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, GLMR was moving inside this descending triangle. And here on 6th of Feb 2024, we broke out the resistance from this low to this high. Price line rallied more than 40%. And now there is a very high probability that soon it may try to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents, because the target for this breakout from this descending triangle is here. It is exactly inside this resistance zone, almost up to this upper resistance of this resistance zone that is approximately at 64 cents. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out a quite big down channel, and then price line rallied very well, but got rejection by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. Therefore, now in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out. And this was a quite significant resistance, this red line, EMA 21. And you can see that since it was appeared, it was working as a very, very strong resistance. We got rejections here, and now after the breakout, it is working as a very, very nice support. You can see it worked as a support here, and it can again work as a nice support in case of another price correction. Now, if we take a look at this very, very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern, then we have the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern here, where we have this long-term resistance zone. Therefore, after breaking out this resistance zone, we can expect a very, very massive pump. The technical target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, as per this measurement, uh, will be here. That will be approximately at $2.60. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.